This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, I take you in the footsteps of Arsène Lupin, or rather his creator, Maurice Leblanc. But why will you tell me? First, because the current success of the Netflix series where Omar Sy, a famous French actor, plays the main role, does not go unnoticed. It's been years since we talked about the gentleman burglar so much. And then, quite simply because Maurice Leblanc is from Rouen. So, follow me, we will go through the city in pursuit of Maurice. Born in 1864, his birthplace is located Rue de Fontenelle at number 2. Soon enough, the family moved to Imperatrice Street, future Jeanne d'Arc Street. Then, the material wealth of the maternal family allowed the Leblancs to buy a building, Bailliage Street, facing the Solferino Garden, which would later be called Verdot Garden. Even today, a plaque recalls the presence of Maurice and his family at number 4 of this street. Until the middle school, Maurice Leblanc attended the Patry pension, a school located on the Marne boulevard. In 1875, he entered the Corneille High School, located at 4 Maulévrier Street. Finally, after high school, he was hired by Louis Murid Pitchard, a factory located on the Saint-Sever bank, to sell machines for disentangling wool. Paradox of history, Maurice Leblanc is not a prophet in his city. No building, bridge or even his birthplace bears his name. If you want to visit a house in which Maurice Leblanc lived, you will have to go to Clos Lupin in the town of Étretat.